Good day, everyone! Today, we will learn about the regionalization and resources in Northern Luzon. But before that, let us define what is regionalization. Regionalization is the tendency to form regions or the process of doing so. When used in opposition to globalization, this often means a world that is less connected with a stronger regional focus. Breaking apart a large area into smaller regions is something known as the regionalization process. This is how geographers identify the parameters of region within a greater area of space. For it to be useful, regionalization must break areas into practical units. After knowing the meaning of regionalization, now let us proceed to what is resources. Resources is a stock or supply of money, materials, staffs, and other assets that can be drawn on by a person or organization in order to function effectively. Air, water, food, plants, animals, minerals, metals, and everything else that exists in nature and has utility to mankind is a resource. The value of each such resource depends on its utility and other factors. So we are done defining what is regionalization and resources. Now, let us proceed to what is Northern Luzon. Northern Luzon is the northwestern portion of the island, which encompasses most of the Ilocos region and is characterized by a flat terrain extending east from the coastline towards the Cordillera Central Mountains.
The Cordillera Mountain Range, which features the island's north-central section, is covered in a mixture of tropical pine forest and mountainous rainforest and is the site of the island's highest mountain, Mount Pulag, rising at 2,922 meters. The range provides the upland headwaters of the Agno River, which stretches from the slopes of Mount Data and meanders along the southern Cordillera Mountains before reaching the plains of Pangasinan.
This region, which is known for being the second largest producer of rice and the country's top corn producer, serves as the basin of the Cagayan River, the longest river in the Philippines. There are two regions in Northern Luzon, and in this video, we will explore the Region 1 or the Ilocos region. Region 1, more popularly known as the Ilocos region, comprising of 4 provinces. These are Pangasinan, La Union, Ilocos Sur, and Ilocos Norte. And there are 9 cities, namely Dagupan City, San Carlos City, Alaminos City, Urdaneta City in Pangasinan, Candon City and Vigan City in Ilocos Sur, Batac City and Lawag City in Ilocos Norte, and the regional capital in the city of San Fernando, La Union. First, let us explore Ilocos Norte. Ilocos Norte is a province of the Philippines located in the Ilocos region. Its capital is Lawag City, located in the northwest corner of Luzon Island, bordering Cagayan and Apayao to the east, and Abra to the southeast, and Ilocos Sur to the southwest. Ilocos Norte faces the West Philippine Sea to the west and the Luzon Strait to the north. Ilocos Norte is noted for being the birthplace of the former President Ferdinand E. Marcos. The province specializes in the following products and industries: agriculture, fishery, livestock, cottage industries, manufacturing and food processing, wind power, tourism, and pottery. Next in line is Ilocos Sur. Ilocos Sur is a province in the Philippines located in the Ilocos region. Its capital is the Vigan and is located on the mouth of the Mestizo River. Ilocos Sur is bordered by Ilocos Norte and Abra to the north, Mountain Province to the east, La Union and Benguet to the south, and the South China Sea to the west.
Ilocos Sur was founded by the Spanish conquistador Juan de Salcedo in 1572. It was formed when the north, now Ilocos Norte, split from the south, or the Ilocos Sur. At that time, it included parts of Abra and the upper half of present-day La Union. The current boundary of the province was permanently defined through Act 2683, which was signed in March 1917. The province is home to two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, namely the Heritage City of Vigan and the Baroque Church of Santa Maria.
The first half of the 19th century was an economic boom for Ilocos Sur and other Ilocano provinces. It was during this period when the cotton, tobacco, and indigo industries were encouraged by the government. With the operations of the Real Compañía de Filipinas, the textile industry was developed on a large scale, and the abolition of the tobacco monopoly accelerated economic progress. But the invention of the chemical dyes put the indigo industry out of the business.
The 1970s were a dark period for the province as armed men, known as the Saka-Saka, terrorized the province, and this reign of terror resulted in the famous burning of the barangays of Ora East and Ora Centro in the municipality of Bantay. This era ended with the rise of Luis Chavit Singson to the governor's seat.
Today, the premier money crop is Virginia leaf tobacco. The windfall was brought about by the tobacco subsidy law authored by Congressman Flora Carsotago, and it was further enhanced by Republic Act 7171, authored by then Congressman Singson. After we had Ilocos Norte and Ilocos Sur, let us now proceed to La Union. La Union is a province in the Philippines located in the Ilocos region in the island of Luzon. Its capital is the city of San Fernando, which also serves as the regional center of the whole Ilocos region. The province is bordered by Ilocos Sur to the north, Benguet to the east, Pangasinan to the south, and to the west by the shores of the South China Sea.
La Union is known for its soft bloom and tourism industry. The economy is diversified with service, manufacturing, and agricultural industries spread throughout the province. The port of San Fernando operates as an increasingly active shipping point, and the former American Air Base, Wallace Air Station, having been converted into a business and industrial area, helps to facilitate such commercial activity.
The major products of the province includes hand-woven blankets, soft brooms, baskets, pottery, rice wine, sugarcane wine, sugarcane vinegar, woodcraft, bamboo craft, native rice cakes, antique finished furniture, dried fish, coconuts, sea urchins, malunggay, and pebble stones. And now, let us proceed to the last province of the Ilocos region, and this is Pangasinan. Pangasinan is a province in the Philippines located in the Ilocos region of Luzon. Its capital is Lingayen. Pangasinan is on the western area of the island of Luzon along Lingayen Gulf and the South China Sea. It has a total land area of 5,451.01 square kilometers. Pangasinan is the name for the province, the people, and the language spoken in the province. The name Pangasinan means place of salt or place of salt making. The province economy is mainly agricultural due to its vast fertile plains. More than 44% of its agricultural area is devoted to crop production. Aside from being one of the Philippines' rice granaries, Pangasinan is also a major producer of coconut, mango, and eggplant. Pangasinan is the richest province in the Ilocos region of the Philippines. The 1,200 megawatt Swal coal-fired power plant and the 345 megawatt San Roque multipurpose dam in the municipalities of Swal and San Manuel, respectively, are the primary sources of energy of the province. The major crops in Pangasinan are rice, mangoes, corn, and sugar. For the next video, Joshua Peralta will discuss about the second region in Northern Luzon. Thank you for listening and God bless